Your Google business profile sucks. Don't worry, I'm here to tell you the 5 reasons why, and you might be missing out on 54% more revenue by not implementing number 5. Number 1, you don't have all or any of your products and services added to your profile. These need to be added in 2 places. One being the back end of your business profile under your profile categories, and 2 under the products tab that's visible to the public. If you're a service business, still add your services as products. Really think of your profile category as the top level category of your business, and these products and services are everything that falls under that category. This makes you eligible for those secondary sort of specific searches that customers do. By the way, be sure your products also have a URL and a good product photo. Number 2, you haven't selected the correct primary category, and what's more likely, you don't have secondary categories. By having related secondary categories, this tells Google that you're eligible for additional search terms. For example, if you're a dentist, your primary category might be dentist, but you should also have secondary categories like dental clinic, dentist, teeth whitening. You get the gist. This broadens your search visibility and attracts more potential clients. I didn't plan this, but ran out of time. Watch my next video for part 2. Part 2 of making sure your Google business profile doesn't suck. All right, number 3, you don't have SEO-rich descriptions added to your products and services. Providing detailed descriptions in the products and services tabs helps to better inform potential customers and Google what you offer. This improves the likelihood of matching searches and can increase your conversion rates, impressions, phone calls, sales. You get it. Number 4, this is a good one. If you have multiple locations, create a unique location page for each store or each of your offices instead of just linking to your homepage. This significantly improves relevance, user experience, and provides better engagement, more conversions, phone calls, direction clicks. You get it. And finally, number 5, where according to Search Engine Land, you could be missing out on 54% more revenue by not prioritizing this aspect. By the way, for those of you who don't know me, my name's Nathan Murray. I'm the founder of Murray Marketing Services, and I've grown over 50 local businesses using the strategies that I'm talking about today. You might have guessed it, it's prioritizing Google reviews. There are many different strategies you can use to get more reviews, including automation workflows, personal requests, QR codes, etc. But I put everything I covered in this video into a 32-part free Google Business Profile Optimization checklist, along with free videos on how to actually implement them. Comment down below and I'll send it your way.